Hello everyone, I like to explain you how to use Python ID in mobile and which ID we have to use. Okay, so for this there is one ID. Okay, the ID name is QPython 3. Okay, so this ID for Android that we have to install. Okay, so this ID I have already installed. Okay, so this id you have to click on this. Since I have installed this id, so it is showing okay open option. So let me display. So when you after installation, when you tap on this application icon, this window will be displayed. Okay, so how to execute in this Python programming. So for this screen, this console, when you click on the console, okay, so for executing one line statement, you can type here, like if I want to print something, let me print my name. Okay, so if I want to print, and if you want to print anything within quotes, you have to write no and press this is the enter symbol, enter. Okay, so this way we can print and we can display. Okay, means for one line statement we can use this. Okay, so for another let me show you one more thing, very much important I have to teach you. Okay, so there are, when you click on this triple dot, so there will be some options. When you click on preferences, okay, so from here this is the setting part. Here you can set according to your requirement and desire. So font size I have set 16 point. Okay, you can change it if you want. Then text color also I have selected black, text on white. Okay, so any text you can let me change. Okay, white text on blue. Okay, so these two changes you have to make according to your desire. Okay, now it is displaying blue background with white text. Okay, so after this you can go back and there is editor. When you click on editor, my dear, okay, so I have typed one program that is for loop. Okay, so let me execute and let me show. So let me explain you. For I in range, as you know, okay, range is function, so I is loop variable. Okay, so the I value, it will start fetching from range. As you know, if within range, if you specify only one value, so I have specified 10, so it will print from 0 to 9. Okay, so the last value will not be printed, as you know. Okay, according to syntax of range. So this button is okay used for execution. Okay, this is run button. When you click on this program, this output is showing. Okay, let me make little changes in this program. Suppose you want to print okay value from 0 to, or we can say like 1, from 1 to 10. Okay, so the end value you have to give 11, so that it will start from 1 and it will be displayed till 10, means 1 to 10 will be printed. Okay, so now this button we used to save. Okay, it is saved. Now let me execute this. So when you execute, okay, this way it will be displayed. So this application is very useful if you don't have laptop or computer at home. Okay, this will help you, my dear student, to execute your basic programs. Okay, so project development is not possible using this. Okay, and many interface you will not get as you get using laptop and desktop, but anyway, using this application you will be able to execute Python programs. I hope you understood all this. So please keep on watching my videos and keep on learning. Okay, thank you.